I'm at the Dreame exhibition in San Francisco, California at the Palace of Fine Arts as they're bringing out the latest and mopping vacuum technology. Dreame is the global leader with their wet-dry vac mop, and I'm going to show how it works right now. It is the #1 in market shares. Dreame is taking over with all of their newest innovations, and I'm so excited to show you their leap forward with wet-dry vacuum mops. I'm here to check out this newest technology at this huge convention. Well, let's just clean the floor. Barefoot. Now let's put some foam on it. Now that's going to disinfect the floor with really hot water and really hot steam. Let's get some steam on this party.
I wanted to get this marble floor really clean for what's coming up next. That foam that came out there is actually an auto detergent dosing. It sprays out to give detergent onto a floor, so your floor is sanitized not only with the heat, but with the detergent. I'm cleaning this barefoot because I wanted to show how in your household your floors are so clean you can be walking around barefoot without picking up germs.
We've made it really hot to disinfect the floors. Wow. It's barefoot clean. But wait, there's more. Power it off, and let's give this a really big challenge. This floor is so clean, it's kissable.
I am putting on my brightest pink lipstick, my thickest, most waxiest lipstick for this demonstration. And now check out what I'm doing. With that heavy lipstick on, I'm going to kiss this floor. I know this floor has been sanitized, so I'm not going to pick up any germs by kissing it, and neither would your baby. Kiss, kiss, kiss. I kissed that floor 3 times.
I love Dreame. So it's going to get a heart on it too. Now what we've created here is a mess of love, like your kids might make in your house, including real kisses. Let's see it. If it's going to clean it, what's your bet? My bet is yes.
So this is what's going on here. The steam cleaning is being done at 392 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees centigrade. And the hot water cleaning is at 194 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 90 degrees centigrade. The Dreame Wet Dry Vacuum Aero Ultra Steam model is combining the steam cleaning with the hot water cleaning with also that auto detergent dosing. That is what sanitizes the floor, your floor. That is what will sanitize any floor. This is a huge step forward in floor cleaning technology with this Dreame Wet Dry Vacuum. And don't worry about cleaning in the dark. If you have to go under tables and under furniture, it has a bright light. Look at how beautiful that blue is. That is shining out in front of you so you can see what you're cleaning. Under chairs, under tables, in low light, and I find it miraculous to see how well it's cleaning this ketchup mess and this kiss mess. The kiss mess was really bad. It's so maneuverable, it makes cleaning feel like you're dancing with it. It is light as a feather. It self-propels front and back. It cleans effortlessly by you, because all that cleaning power is coming out of this Dreame Wet Dry Vacuum Aero Ultra Steam. Underneath it, it has a cleaning brush that's scrubbing, and I'll show you that later. In only a few minutes, it cleaned up the ketchup and the lipstick to sparkling clean, sanitized clean. I had to check it with my hands to feel if it was sticky, and it wasn't. And to prove it, I even rubbed it on my face. That's how clean the floor was.
Clean as a whistle. That's what you get with the Dreame.
I was so curious to see how the SonicClean 392 Fahrenheit steam wash worked. Well, at the booth that Dreame had, I was able to get some details. Right there, it explained how the rapid heat up happens with a powerful boiler that's inside of it that gets up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. It also showed about the high flow of the steam at 3,000 milligrams a minute that it pushes out of that steam. And then number 3, it discussed how the direct melt and wash was happening as within the machine that water had gotten to boiling 210 degrees Fahrenheit. All of this is done chemical free, baby safe, and wood floor friendly. It's not going to peel off or bubble up whatever finish you have on your wood floors. At the booth, they had a close-up demonstration that you could go get near to check out that steam. I sure did. And there's a caution sign, not supposed to get too close, so I didn't. But I put my hands in front of the steam and I felt the warmth of that steam. Yeah, that's hot steam if I'd gotten too close. But it was amazing how the steam came out in one big stream constantly. Well, that's because inside the Aero Ultra Steam, it has a water tank, the clean water tank, which is equal to 3.8 cups of water. So you can clean a very large area with what the clean water tank will hold. And in that heavy duty steam mode, that battery will last you 30 minutes of clean time. And if you didn't need all that steam, if it was a light clean, the battery would last in quiet mode 100 minutes. At Dreame's booth, I was able to inspect that roller brush that has all that TangleCut 2.0 technology for anti-tangle for hair, whether it's human hair or dog hair. Bravo! A big leap in technology by Dreame.
And this is Dreame's Aero Pro Steam. Check this out. Light as a feather. But wait a minute. How does it do on hair? Let's find out. And pet hair too. And let's bring some oatmeal to the party. Woo! But this recipe is a real mess because we're going to top off the recipe with ketchup. So I've turned it on and I've added the steam power because this is a big mess. This is a multi-mess. Let's see. Oh, and it self-propels. This is no effort by me at all. It is gliding. Oh my gosh. It's so fast. Look at this. That's a 30-second cleanup. Well, let's give it the test. It is not sticky. There's nothing left. Look at my hands, Ma. They're all clean. Wow, what a great machine.
Now let's talk about the brush inside. They had a display of that at the booth as well. It has a special cleaning brush that's going to push down pressure and suck up at the same time. The Dreame Wet Dry Vacuum Aero Ultra Steam has a suction power of 30,000 PA. And with as much hair as could be on the floor, the TangleCut 2.0 Resilient Scraper will have 100% of tangle free. So there's no extra work required by turning it over and taking all that hair out. It does it for you. It has sharp blades underneath, so it'll hook that and cut that hair. And then with the strong suction power, it will collect the hair to the inlet without clogging. And at the conference, there was an area that I could just walk by many of the different appliances they have. These were the wet dry vacuums, and I looked at both of those models. Then I saw an air purifier and then a robot mopping vacuum, the L60 Ultra. And I also saw their new robotic lawn mowers. How great that Dreame has come out with those as well. Next to that is a Dreame pool cleaner, on and on it goes with all the different appliances they had. Dreame had a full presentation of their smart home appliances at this wonderful launch event. They called it Efficiency Next. They had wonderful speakers of representatives there like the CTO and other department heads right there at the conference. I learned about their growth and what a large worldwide company Dreame is. It was marvelous to learn more about a company I've worked with for so many years. And then came time for the presentations of the products I've shown you here that I actually got to demonstrate in this video. There's even more to know about the Dreame Wet Dry Vacuums with their Aero and Aero Pro, Aero Pro Steam, and Aero Ultra Steam. They spoke about those models and their innovative, amazing new features to make floor cleaning easy for busy households. They even had an NBA three-time champion and Hall of Famer Dwayne Wade that came to the conference. Oh boy, he had a lot of fans watching him. How fun they had such a sports celebrity appear at this conference. So many cameras and photographers came out to get pictures of Dwayne Wade. I didn't get too close. There was just too many. But that was impressive that he was there representing Dreame. I was so impressed with the Dreame wet dry vacuums I was able to try out and demonstrate for you today from the Dreame Next show in San Francisco, California.
I'm Rebecca Brand. click the link below to get your Dreame wet dry vacuum. They have many models, but this one is my favorite. Thank you, Dreame.